Hi, welcome to day 5 of our ArcGIS Pro challenge tutorial. Today, we'll learn about how to add layer to our map, how to work with layer properties, and how to work with layer visibility. Let's get started. To add layer to our map, locate the Map tab. Under the Layer group, click on Add Data. Then locate the folder where your data is stored. Click the data and click OK. We have successfully added the shapefile of Ibadan to our map. Now we can repeat the same process to add a raster file to our map. Click OK. Now I have these two data added to my map. I have the Ibadan shapefile and I have the Ibadan DEM file, which stands for Digital Elevation Model. We have successfully added a vector and a raster data to our map. Next is working with layer properties. To work with layer properties, right-click on any of the layer, click Properties. Here you can see the name of the shapefile, which I can rename. I'll click Apply. Under Source, you can see all the information about this shapefile. You can check extent and the spatial reference, as well as domain and resolution and tolerance. We can do the same for the raster file too. Apply. Okay. Another thing we can do here is to change the symbology. By right-clicking again, come to Symbology. Then we can select Unique Values in order to use a specific value in our attributes table to symbolize the map. So for this, we are going to symbolize using the name 2, which has the name of the local government. You can decide to change the color, so our color of choice. When we are done, you can click to close. Next is working with layer visibility. To work with the layer visibility, come to your content pane. You can uncheck to see the layer below. To make the layer visible, check, and the topmost layer will be the one that will appear. We can also set our layer to appear at a specific scale. To do this, right-click on the layer, go to Properties, and under Maximum Scale, set your preferred scale at which you want this layer to appear, and set your minimum scale at which you don't want this layer to show. To confirm this, come below and enter a scale outside the range we use. You can see the Ibadan boundary disappeared. Use 600. It will still not appear unless the scale of the map is within the range that we used. We enter 500. Now it appears. Now you know how to add layers to map and adjust their properties, and as well as control their visibility in ArcGIS Pro. Adding layers and working with their property is a fundamental skill for building informative GIS projects. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you on day 6. Bye.